Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could change the way you secure your home, the Bluetooth Fingerprint Smart Lock with Handle and Keypad. We found this innovative smart lock online and have added a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this smart lock? This device is designed to provide keyless entry to your home, allowing you to unlock your door in a variety of ways: fingerprint recognition, keypad entry, a key fob, a numerical code, a smartphone app, or even with a physical key if you prefer. This versatility means you can eliminate the hassle of fumbling for keys, making it an excellent choice for families, guests, and rental properties. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this smart lock a worthwhile addition to your home. First and foremost, it offers 6 different unlock methods, which means you can choose the one that suits you best or even switch between them depending on your needs. For instance, you can use your fingerprint for quick access when you're in a hurry, or set a temporary code for guests or service people. Installation is another highlight. This smart lock is designed to fit most standard US doors, ranging from 1 3/8 inches to 2 1/4 inches thick, and you can install it yourself in just a few minutes with a simple screwdriver. No drilling or complex tools are required, making it a perfect option for upgrades or rental properties where you want to enhance security without a lot of fuss. Who is this product suitable for? Well, it's ideal for a wide range of users. If you have kids or seniors in your home, the keyless entry system means they won't have to worry about losing or misplacing keys. It's also perfect for Airbnb hosts and rental property owners, allowing you to create permanent, one-time, or time-limited access codes for guests, cleaners, or property managers. This flexibility is a significant advantage for anyone managing multiple properties or simply looking to make life easier for themselves and their guests. Now, let's look at some practical use cases for this smart lock. Imagine you're coming home with your hands full of groceries. Instead of juggling your bags and searching for your keys, you can simply use your fingerprint to unlock the door. Or consider a scenario where you have a family member visiting who needs access while you're away. You can easily create a temporary access code for them to use during their stay. Another great feature is the auto lock capability. This means that as soon as you close the door, it locks automatically, giving you peace of mind that your home is secure. Plus, with the one-touch lock feature, you can quickly secure your door without needing to think twice. This is especially useful for busy families who may forget to lock the door when rushing out. The smart lock also integrates with smartphone apps, allowing you to manage access history, change codes, and even lock or unlock your door remotely. And if you have a smart home setup, it's compatible with Alexa and Google for hands-free voice control, making your life even more convenient. In summary, the Bluetooth Fingerprint Smart Lock with Handle and Keypad is an innovative solution for anyone looking to enhance their home security while enjoying the convenience of keyless entry. With its multiple unlocking methods, easy installation, and smart features, it's truly a modern must-have for homeowners, renters, and property managers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped